Hey guys, back with another video. This one is going to be about how to recover a photo you accidentally delete. So, for example, let me go ahead and turn on the camera. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of this box. Now, what if I somehow accidentally, let me turn this off. There's this photo right here, right? What if I accidentally delete it because I'm in a hurry, and then I'm in a hurry. Well, what you can do, what you can do is go back to photos. Then you're going to want to scroll to the bottom, near the bottom, and you will see that there's recently deleted. All right. So go ahead and push that. And then it's going to ask you to unlock it again with your face. Now you'll see up here that, that there's the photos that you deleted. And what you have to do is just go ahead and push recover. Once you push recover, now it will be back in your albums. All right. So I hope you get it, and go ahead and try that at home. Please like or comment below. I really appreciate it. See you next time. All right. Bye.